And now we're back in the living room. And now, bedroom.
Wow.
And...
Goed, and here comes the kitchen, eh?
Yes.
And here I want a walk-in fridge. You know? Ah!
Yes. So, you like kitchen?
Yes, okay.
Walk-in fridge.
This is Ku. Hi, Ku. Please come to the table. As you can see, our movable fridge moves, responding to voice commands or the situation. With an embedded sensor technology, it accurately measures the distance, it maps out the room, it recognizes itself within the room, and it continuously updates the map. So that is why it can move around safely without bumping into anything, such as pets or kids, for example.